More families in China are putting their money into savings rather than investing it. This is a contributing factor that could cause China to miss its growth target this year. Ryan Yonk at think tank American Institute for Economic Research says a reluctance to invest is due to an unstable Chinese stock environment.
When uncertainty in whether or not the markets are going to perform well over time increases, people start to either remove themselves from the market or choose not to enter the market further.
The Shanghai Shenzhen CSI 300 index fell again Tuesday by as much as 2.2%. It was among the worst performers in Asia. And amid lockdowns last month, it fell to its lowest point since April 2020. The Chinese property market isn't doing well either, something many are also invested in. Home sales have slumped 25% and prices are expected to fall as well.
A larger percentage of Chinese consumers are invested in Chinese stocks. And so when the market has a downward correction, it affects a broader swath of the Chinese population. What we see is when people are uncertain about the economic future, we tend to see savings rates increase as a hedge against that uncertainty.
Savings deposits in China's banks increased by 7% in the first 4 months of this year. It rose to over $16 trillion at the end of April. A rout in the Chinese stock market, woes in the property market, and people not investing could cause China to miss its 5.5% economic growth target.
One of the things we can see pretty clearly is that as consumer confidence drops in the Chinese economy, that's going to have a downward pressure on economic growth overall.
A lower growth rate could worry Beijing. Yonk says that growth rate is critical to the stability of the Chinese Communist Party.
I would be quite surprised if there was not some level of concern, because one of the things that is essential in the ongoing stability in China is that continued growth rate and continued consumer confidence in the Chinese economy.
Yonk says that ultimately economic prosperity is one of the single biggest predicators of the regime's stability. Don Ma, NTD News.